Hi everyone. Tonight for supper, I'll be making Instant Pot round steak. What all goes into the Instant Pot round steak? 2 pounds of round steak cut into serving size pieces, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 large onion sliced, 3 cloves garlic minced. I'm going to use the already minced stuff, 1 cup beef broth, and I saw this spicy beef broth, so I thought I'd give that a try. 1 can, 14.5 ounces, diced tomatoes, undrained, 2 tablespoons Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1 bay leaf, salt and pepper to taste, 2 tablespoons cornstarch, and 2 tablespoons water. So let's begin. Take your Instant Pot, hit saute, and then add your 2 tablespoons of oil. Once your oil gets hot, then we will sear the round steaks. All right, so it is hot. Add your pieces of meat and brown on both sides, and then remove. Be careful of the splatters. In the same spot, add the onions and the 3 cloves of garlic and saute that for 2 to 3 minutes. Once your onions are softened and translucent, add your 1 cup of beef broth and scrape up all the brown bits. Then add your steak back into the pot. Add your diced tomatoes with the juice. This kind of reminds me of like Swiss steak that I used to cook in the slow cooker. And then add the 2 tablespoons of the Worcestershire sauce, the 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, the 1 teaspoon of thyme, the 1 teaspoon of oregano, the 1 bay leaf, and salt and pepper to taste. And give that a stir. And hit cancel and put your lid on. Make sure it is on sealing, and it is. Then hit pressure cook, high pressure. We don't want to keep it warm. We want it up to 20 minutes. When it gets up to pressure, it will start counting down from 20 minutes. All right, so it is done. We'll hit the cancel, and then we'll let it natural release, which just means we won't do anything. It will release the steam by itself, and we'll let it natural release for 10 minutes. And then we'll hit the quick release for any existing steam. So while we're waiting for the quick release to get done and the pressure knob to go down, we'll make our cornstarch slurry. 2 tablespoons, and try to keep it in the bowl. Put 2 tablespoons of cornstarch in the bowl and 2 tablespoons of cold water, and mix that up to make it a slurry. So the little button went down. It's safe to open up the lid. Make sure you open up the lid away from you so you won't get burned. We'll put it back on saute. We'll add our cornstarch slurry, and we'll simmer that until it thickens up. So here is the Instant Pot round steak, and rounding out the meal is corn. Let's see what Dave thinks.
I'm gonna try this without the knife first. Might need the knife to cut it.
You would think it would be tender with cooking in the Instant Pot.
Well, I think it's the grain more than anything.
Did I cut it with the grain?
No, the grain's running this way, And I'm trying to cut across against the grain with the fork.
Oh, okay.
So it's spreading instead of cutting. It's tender.
Okay, good.
And it tastes good.
That is Instant Pot round steak.
Like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.